This is a used 2010 Ford Explorer, powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Reineke Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 12000 County Road 99, Findlay, Ohio 45840.